In this video, we'll show you how to easily and correctly apply KBS coatings, including RustSeal, BlackTop, and KBS Top Coater with a brush and a roller. Before starting to paint, be sure the paint is properly mixed. You can watch our How to Properly Stir Paints and Coatings video, which is on the KBS Coatings website for a demonstration. Once it's thoroughly mixed, pour what you're going to use in a separate metal or glass container and then seal the can properly. Our paint can tips video shows how to do this. First, we will cover brushing. If you're using a brush, use only a wooden handle brush with short china bristles. Do not use brushes with synthetic bristles. Begin by dipping the brush so that the paint covers the bristles to the halfway point. Maintain a wet edge on the brush and paint with brush strokes going in one direction and stretch the paint out. Let the paint lay out and don't go back and forth overworking the brush. This is critical as overworking the brush causes the solvents in the paint to evaporate out too quickly. If you're using a roller, use a foam type with a 3/8 inch nap. Again, apply 2 light coats, maintain a wet edge, and stretch the paint in one direction so there's a uniform appearing paint film. Don't overwork the roller. Again, allow the primer a minimum of 8 hours to dry between coats. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. We hope you find these money-saving and time-saving tips useful.